I have joined with Dino Morea, who is here for the Pro Wrestling League Season 3, and you are supporting Veer Marathas. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
Today, the Veer Marathas have successfully won this match against
Our team जीत रही है, and I'm very happy to be here with all the owners, and it's fantastic. और पहली बार मैं देख रहा हूँ live, so it's a great experience, a fantastic experience.
Live wrestling is something different from what we have seen.
Outstanding. अगर आप TV पे देखोगे और live देखोगे, फर्क बहुत है. It's fantastic live, the energy, the audience, the people, everyone having fun. It's simply outstanding.
Dino, but what do you say about the Pro Wrestling League? Just because it is completely a different format from the earlier days when the wrestling is played on the mud, and now it has come all together to a mat.
I think it's great because the facilities, the way it's being fought, the audience, the lights. So it's an experience. It's not just sitting and like in an akhada and watching a match. You know, it's here. They've made it grand. There's music, there's fun, there's cheerleaders. So the whole experience is 10 times better.
You know, also about the Indian wrestlers, you know, who competes with the foreign wrestlers. They come together and play with them. This will definitely help Indian wrestlers to go into the multi-sport event and win there.
I think when you fight with contestants from other countries, you learn newer techniques, newer experiences. There are different bodies, different body types, different strength. So it makes every individual better at a sport. Whether it's the Indians becoming better or the foreigners becoming better also. Everyone grows because of combating with other players for sure. So I think the Indian team they are good as it is, but will get better with this.
You know, also about talking about the game of wrestling, what we have seen, Bollywood always supported the game of wrestling. We have also seen a movie like Dangal, which is based on on wrestling. On the Foghat sister itself, they are on the other side, but Ritu Foghat is still with your team. How was the experience meeting Ritu Foghat and the Foghat sisters?
I think it's fantastic to meet them in person. I've seen Dangal, and I also think that because of the movie, there's so much interest in wrestling by itself. And I'm happy that somebody's coming and actually pushing it as a sport. Otherwise, they've all just ruled sports and no one really professionalized it. Now there's money in it, there's fun, people want to view it. I'm saying watching it right now, I am excited. I didn't think much of it, but now I am excited to see people wrestling and having a good time.
And also, what will be your message to all the fans of Veer Marathas? Just because now Veer Marathas are very close to the semi-final spot.
Yes, to all the fans of Veer Marathas, the strongest. I hope we all win.
Thank you so much, Dino, speaking to us. That was Dino Morea, who has come all over to the Pro Wrestling League to support Veer Marathas. And in this battle between the Veer Marathas and Delhi Sultans, Veer Marathas have comfortably won today against the Delhi Sultans. With video journalist Avinash, this is Ashwar Jain for News X in New Delhi.